All right, so here's our straddle back split. This will be your right side. This is going to be your left. It doesn't matter which foot you step into your fabric. You're going to stand straight up into your fabric. From here, we're going to start to do tree pose. So go ahead and wrap that left foot around the outside of your fabric, bringing the foot into the inner thigh of the right foot, and then only bring your left shoulder forward. So you're in like tree pose. Take your left hand and bring your left thumb face down. Grab the fabric by your waist. Take your right hand, bend the elbow, and reach your arm up. Now, as you turn forward, you're not going to let this knee come back through the fabric, and you'll see what I mean. So you're going to turn, and then only bring your shoulders through your fabric. From here, drop that left leg down towards the earth. Bring that fabric behind your back. Whoops. And straddle out. This always look the best. All right? By straightening the legs, you find that full straddle. That fabric is across the top of your waistline. From there, you can let go of your hands if you feel comfortable. To come out, grab the fabric back up by the post, pull yourself up to slowly come back out, and then you can either switch your feet out, bring your shoulders out of your fabric, and unroll. Ta-da! For more poses and classes, please check out our aerial yoga app in app stores. Thanks.